Los, prepare to be amazed as we embark on a breathtaking time-lapse journey to unlock the secrets of the lunar eclipse. Join us and witness the moon's mesmerizing transformation during totality. Get ready to be captivated by the wonders of our solar system. As we explore the hidden mysteries of lunar eclipses, let's get started. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the horizon, the sky takes on a deep indigo hue, setting the stage for the celestial drama that is about to unfold. The anticipation builds as the moon slowly makes its way into the Earth's shadow, triggering a gradual dimming of its brilliant light. With each passing moment, the moon's disk becomes shrouded in darkness, revealing an eerie glow along its periphery. As the eclipse reaches its peak, the sight that greets us is nothing short of breathtaking. The moon now appears as a haunting silhouette against the fiery backdrop of the sun, completely immersed in the Earth's colossal shadow. This is the moment of totality, where day turns to night, and the veil between the earthly and celestial realms seems too thin. It is a humbling reminder of the immense power and grandeur of our natural world. But the spectacle doesn't end there. For those who have witnessed this lunar spectacle, it is an experience that stays with them, etching itself into their memories as a testament to the awe-inspiring wonders that our universe has in store. In this captivating time-lapse, we invite you to join us on a journey through the phases of a total lunar eclipse, beginning from the subtle penumbral shadow stretching across the lunar surface and culminating in the full glory of totality. As the Earth casts its imposing shadow upon the moon, the lunar surface transforms into a canvas of fire and blood, creating a sight both eerie and mesmerizing. But the true magic lies in the journey itself. The slow and steady progression from partial eclipse to the breathtaking moment when the moon is fully engulfed by the Earth's shadow. It is a journey that takes us to the very edge of our perception, leaving us in awe of the wonders that unfold before our eyes. This time-lapse captures not just the changing phases of the eclipse, but also the emotions that accompany it. The anticipation, the wonder, the sense of the sublime all come together in a symphony of celestial beauty. It is a reminder of the profound connection we have with the cosmos and the mysteries that lie within its vast expanse. Get ready to be captivated as the moon embarks on its journey into the Earth's shadow, slowly transforming into a fiery ball of red and orange hues. The eclipse reaches its peak, plunging the world into darkness and amplifying the eerie glow around the moon's silhouette. As the spectacle unfolds, the sky transforms into a canvas of deep blues and purples, creating a haunting backdrop for the glowing moon. Witness the mesmerizing dance of light and shadow as the moon emerges from the Earth's embrace, revealing a breathtaking view of the sun's rays piercing through the upper atmosphere. What causes the moon to turn red during a lunar eclipse? Tint that appears on the moon during a lunar eclipse is due to a phenomenon known as Rayleigh scattering. This occurs when the Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight, similar to how it scatters blue light during a sunset or sunrise, leaving behind longer wavelengths like red and orange. During a lunar eclipse, the moon passes through the Earth's shadow, which can stretch over 4,000 miles across. This shadow acts as a barrier, blocking the direct sunlight from reaching the moon. However, some sunlight still manages to reach the moon, and that's when the magic happens. The sunlight that makes it through the Earth's shadow is scattered by the atmosphere, giving the moon its iconic red or orange glow. Why does the moon appear to have a darker grey color? The moon doesn't emit any light of its own. Instead, we see it because it reflects the sun's rays. During a lunar eclipse, the moon moves into the Earth's shadow, which blocks direct sunlight from reaching the moon's surface. This results in a darker grey appearance because we are no longer seeing the bright white light reflected from the sun. The light that reaches the moon from the sun gets filtered through the Earth's atmosphere. And since blue light is scattered more easily than other colors, the sky appears darker. This means that only longer wavelength light like yellow, orange and red can reach the moon, resulting in the moon looking darker gray compared to its usual white appearance when fully illuminated by the sun. How often do total lunar eclipses occur? Total lunar eclipses occur when the moon passes into the darkest part of the Earth's shadow, which is known as the umbra. This event can only occur when the moon is at its closest point to the Earth in its orbit. On average, this happens twice a year, but not all lunar eclipses are total. A partial eclipse occurs when the moon is only partially in the Earth's shadow. A total eclipse happens only when the moon is completely in the shadow. These events are predicted with high accuracy, and the next one to hit North America will be on October 14, 2024. So mark your calendars and don't miss out on this incredible celestial event. How long does a lunar eclipse last? The duration of a lunar eclipse can vary, but typically it lasts anywhere from a few hours to several hours. The entire process of the moon passing through the Earth's shadow includes 3 stages: the partial phase, the total phase, and the partial phase. The partial phase is when the moon starts entering the Earth's shadow, and the partial phase is when the moon is completely covered by the shadow. The total phase can last anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour, and that's when the moon is at its darkest and the sky is at its darkest. As the moon exits the shadow, the partial phase begins again, until the moon is completely out of the shadow. The entire eclipse can last up to a few hours, depending on how quickly the moon moves in or out of the shadow. Can a lunar eclipse cause earthquakes? There is no scientific evidence to support the claim that lunar eclipses can cause earthquakes. Eclipses themselves cannot directly trigger earthquakes. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, the release of energy in the Earth's crust, and other geological factors. However, some people believe that the gravitational pull of the moon and the Earth may cause minor shifts in the Earth's crust during a lunar eclipse, potentially triggering minor earthquakes. However, these claims are not backed by scientific evidence. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, which monitors earthquake activity worldwide, has stated that lunar eclipses do not cause earthquakes. In fact, the USGS has analyzed data from past eclipses and found no correlation between eclipses and earthquake activity. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon is covered in the Earth's shadow, which can affect the local gravitational pull. Some people believe that this change in gravity could potentially trigger seismic activity. However, any changes in gravity during a lunar eclipse are extremely minor and unlikely to cause earthquakes. Additionally, many countries, including Japan and China, regularly experience total lunar eclipses without any significant increase in earthquake activity. Therefore, it is safe to say that while lunar eclipses may be associated with various folklore and superstitions, they do not pose any real danger in terms of causing earthquakes. So there you have it, stargazers, a glimpse into the captivating world of lunar eclipses. We hope this journey through time has left you in awe of the moon's mesmerizing transformation during totality. If you enjoyed this celestial spectacle, don't forget to stay tuned for more updates.